coming through. Oh, crazy.
All right, so B58 looks like it has some mods on it, including oil cap. That's always good. So, what's running?
Right, so I'll start a bit of a backstory.
Yeah.
Everyone who saw the G20 M340i video,
Yeah.
I'm the same person. Lost some weight, but
That's why I didn't recognize you.
yeah. So what the plan was with that car, we was gonna do some braided lines and brakes and tires, but I thought instead of doing that, let me go sell the car, use the funds, and go full send.
Yeah.
So I bought this. It's a high mileage B58, 119k miles.
Okay.
2 owners, but it's been well taken care of. The previous owner done mainly motorway miles. So I thought, let me get this and just basically send it to the moon within a budget. So what we've done is, in terms of performance or power, we've got an Osprey OP500 package.
Okay.
So we've got Osprey V3 intake, Osprey charge cooler, Osprey door hypercore turbo. So what that is basically Osprey take out the original stock core of the turbo and they put like a door uprated core inside. It's the stock exhaust manifold, and it just goes in, bolts on, plug and play basically. It's got a PS Performance 200 cell downpipe, R Sport charge cooler that's up there to control inlet air temperatures. It's got a hot climate mode, so air goes in with the induction kit. Uprated injectors, Dynon coil packs, genuine spark plugs. That's pretty much it with the performance.
So what's the power then?
So it's capped to around 520 horsepower, around 102 around. We could have done more, but again, because of the heat, so it will heat, so we've just capped it. Chris from Osprey did say you can beat its ass on the ring, it'll be fine.
Okay.
I did do a few laps at the end of the lap, closer towards Brunchen. It does pull a bit of timing, so you can feel a bit of lack of power. That's because the inlet air temperatures are too high. So you might on the iDrive say engine overheating, but after 10-15 seconds, let the car cool, you can send it again.
Nice.
That's the only issue we might have. That's the performance wise. In terms of handling, we've got Milway camber plates right here, done by Geo by Luke.
Nice.
It's got 2.5 degrees on the front, 2.5 on the rear.
Nice.
I was aiming for a club sport car which I can use on the road because it's my daily as well. We've got Bilstein B14 coilovers. It's not, you can't adjust the dampening, it's just the ride height. We've got Milway monoballs, which replaces the stock bushing. The stock bushing has a lot of like movement under braking, under compression, so the monoballs is quite firm. So you'll see it just turns in quickly, it brakes really quick.
Nice.
There's no movement. What else did we do?
Brakes.
Got brakes. We've got stock brakes, stock Brembo discs. However, we've got Charoudin DS 3.12s. We've got Goodrich braided lines, and we've got RBF 660 fluid. These are the this car again. For those in the UK, for those who don't know, this was a poverty spec car, so we had stock brakes. It didn't have the M Performance brakes. I've retrofitted these from another 340i, which was basically broken, salvaged. But yeah, we've put these on. We've done the rear as well, but that's pretty much it. We've also got the Speed Engineering. You can't really see, I can't really show you, but the backing plates is from Speed Engineering. It basically has a duct where it goes underneath the car into the brakes.
The brake cooling.
Brake cooling, basically.
Nice.
We've also got...
What are the seats from? Is that the 1 Series?
So these are retrofitted from the F40 M135i.
Yeah.
So I went for more like a budget build, where it sort of hugs you in. They all work, electric power seats, everything, all work. But yeah, that's pretty much the interior. LSD has an LSD as well.
Nice.
Again, all of these parts, by the way, some of them were new, some of them were second hand. So I wanted to build like a sub 20k club sport / weekend car. But I bought this car in November. And literally within 6 months I built everything for you to drive today.
Nice.
But yeah, it's got Black Series, Powerflex Black Series diff bushings, rear sub bushings, front subframe on the rear as well. It also has the not M140, yeah, it's too short. It's got the 335D touring underbody brace, stiffens up the chassis apparently. I feel like it's a placebo effect. I haven't noticed anything, but
Right.
just following the forums. Also has the MPP SK power and sound kit exhaust. I can show you if you look at the rear of the car. I tried to polish it before I came. Just here it says M Performance.
Oh yeah, somewhere underneath.
Quite chrome and shiny. But yeah, and this is the OP 500 plaque that Osprey has given
Nice.
for the car, for the power. Also, I forgot, it also has hard race rear camber alignment arms
Okay.
to get more negative camber. It also has the alignment toe arms as well that Luke has recommended. He's set up this car for you to drive, for you to send it. So
Good.
today we'll go full send. Just want to give some appreciation to Chris at Osprey for booking me in 1 week before Ring. Appreciation to Luke for him spending countless hours for doing the car alignment, you know, perfecting it, going for a drive, and just making sure it's tip top good for you. Because I know how the comments are for British cars. They're not friendly, so hopefully we can, you know, today the algorithm will help us and we can fully send this car to the moon.
Nice.
Tommy from GNG Autos, love you, bro. He spent so much time, you know, like getting this car within those 6 months period, just getting it ready. Shout out to my friend Borwaya Autos. But yeah, Misha, do your thing. Let's send this car.
Let's go.
Yeah, everything's on. Oh, it doesn't show. Doesn't display.
It's just
Ah, okay. Cool.
battery saving.
Ah, okay. Should I move this teddy bear?
Mute.
Should I remove it?
Remove. No.
Okay. Let's go!
That's
Send it, Misha, send it!
Can't park there, mate.
This is... Yo!
Brakes good, tires good, power good, everything works. Either rear diff or subframe bushings. Which one had you replaced?
So it's got Powerflex Black Series diff bushings.
Okay.
They're firm, but they're not like solid.
What about the subframe?
Yeah, no, they're Powerflex
As well?
Black Series, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But they're not like poly bushed.
Yeah.
But a lot of people told me go for the poly bush.
Yeah.
So there's like yellow inserts and black. Black are more stiffer, but I feel like what you're saying is it's still too loose.
It feels something on the back that's like between the axles. There is a bit small disconnect. Like, and it's but
okay.
We'll see how it goes. It's not horrible because I mean I'm very like confident with the car, I would say. So that's good.
Move out the way, Misha's coming through. this. Let's go.
I hope it's worth it so far.
It's amazing. now boiling.
Me too. Very good setup.
Yeah.
Really nice. I don't think it was the heat problem on the top, or if it was, the heat management is very good. I mean, let's switch it up for a second, because then I can wait. Here. Yeah, that's a bit better. The heat management is good because it dropped again, but
Yeah.
it also risen
Okay.
in the first place. So,
Okay.
but it's good. I don't think it was heat, because
Okay.
you wouldn't be able to drop it down this quickly, because we didn't go off throttle this much, and after that it didn't come back up again. So,
Okay.
don't know what it is.
Is it like a? Do you think it's been mapped in like a fail? I don't really know.
Maybe. I don't know. Hard to say. Regardless, setup good, brakes good, tires good, geometry good. I would prefer a bit more rotation,
Okay.
so a bit more aggressive alignment for me.
Okay.
But it was very neutral setup,
Okay.
so that's good.
Okay.
But yeah, overall liked it.
Awesome. I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah, definitely. And after that, it was what I said in the beginning, that there was maybe something disconnected on the back.
Okay.
I don't think so. So because after that it was really solid.
Okay.
So it was just maybe 1-2 corners I was feeling out the car a bit.
Okay.
It's very, very good.
Awesome.
So yeah, happy we could make it happen.